So all the time I have people say, can I pay my rent with a credit card? Can I pay my mortgage with a credit card? Or basically they ask me, can they pay their credit card for things that they can't pay their credit card with? The answer is yes. Welcome to the Radical Marketer YouTube channel, where we talk about how to leverage credit, how to leverage social media, and how to make money online. So if that interests you, smash that like button, punch that subscribe button, and knock out that bell notification button, because I make videos daily. Matter of fact, I'm making 3 videos a day for the rest of the year, so you don't want to miss it. In today's video, we are going to do a deep dive on Plastiq, the amazing service that basically lets you use a credit card to pay for anything, domestically and internationally. So we're gonna get into this review. This is an unsponsored review, okay? So completely unsponsored. I have used this product before. I love it. I still use it when I need it. And so we're gonna go over the pros and the cons about this, because there's a lot of things that you need to know. But before I go into all of Plastiq, I would love to welcome all of my first-time viewers. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for trusting me with your time. You could have clicked on any video. You clicked on mine. I value your time. I'm gonna try to give you all stuff and no fluff, very conversational videos, right to the point, and full of a lot of different ways that leverage this product. So definitely put your comments in the comment section. If you have a credit question, go for it. Anything you want to comment or give feedback on, I'd love to hear from you. Smash the like button and subscribe button. And for all of you radical marketers out there that is not part of the private Facebook group, join it. It's completely free. And you can literally ask your question to thousands of people, and they're going to come to your aid and serve you and help you. We have one of the fastest growing YouTube communities where we're all trying to level up with finance and to leverage debt to create wealth. So definitely join that in my private Instagram at Radical Marketer, Radikal Marketer. You can send me a DM of your credit question, and stay tuned. We'll be doing giveaways and updates on the page as well. So a lot coming down the works, but definitely take care of that. Now let's get right into the video. Sorry about the long intro. We just had a little bit of housekeeping to do here. So Plastiq is amazing because it basically takes your plastic and it turns it into a way to pay for anything that you want to pay for. So if you want to pay your mortgage, basically it will turn it into like an ACH, and Plastiq will send a check to your mortgage company or pay your mortgage company. So here we go. I'm just going to go through it, and I'm going to give you different ways that I would leverage this and what you need to know about. So one of the things about Plastiq, the only reason why it gets kind of a negative review sometimes is people wait for the last minute to make their payments with Plastiq. There is a little bit of time that it takes to send out the check and things like that, and it can be a little nerve-wracking. I remember when I was trying to hit my minimum spends with different credit card companies. I won't mention them who, but I was like, man, am I going to be late? I never had a late payment. I was always on time with my payment. Plastiq did it right. Never had an issue with them whatsoever. I love them. I use them. They're a little bit expensive here and there sometimes, but other than that, if you're trying to hit minimum spends, like let's say you have to spend $4,000 in a month and you don't really want to buy junk that you don't need, you'd rather just pay your mortgage with it, well, you could do that and hit your minimum spend and get your sign-on bonus, right? So, and it also depends what your sign-on bonus is, but that's going to be one way. So never one way to pay. We're dynamic, okay? Basically, you can pay using any major debit card or credit card. You can transfer money straight from your bank for free, and we'll pay your recipient however they choose, check, wire, or ACH, and you can rack up your credit rewards faster. This is another way to basically liquidate a credit card, is using a service like Plastiq, and you'll see what I mean. Basically, you can even pay your contractors, suppliers, for individuals, small businesses, and enterprises. You sign up, you choose how you want to pay, things like that. They're going to be able to do global payments and bank transfers as well. And then we're also, here's kind of the fees that go with it. So if you're getting paid with Plastiq, right? If you're a business, it's going to be free for you. Your customer is going to pay a 2.85% fee. And you can accept bank transfers. So if you're on the receiving side of this, you're not going to pay anything. But if you're paying with Plastiq, you're going to pay 2.85%. It includes free standard paper check delivery or ACH bank debit deposit or standard bill pay delivery. And then wire transfer payment delivery is $40 US, and international 60. Now, if you're doing high volumes, you can contact their sales department. If you're sending payments outside the U.S., you can do it in local currencies, which is nice. If you're making a payment from outside the U.S., you can do that with their cross-border payments. So it's a really, really cool tool that you guys can know about and use when you need to use it. So if you need to hit minimum spends, you need to pay something that credit cards can't pay for, Plastiq has you with a wire transfer, a deposit, or a paper check, which is really cool, even like a car payment. Now, there are going to be some stipulations, so stay with me the entire way. So here we go. Improve your cash flow. Keep everything together. Okay, cool. Save money on global payments. Awesome. Accept credit cards for free. Pay virtually any expense. Awesome. We already went through that. Okay, and then I will also put this in the link in the description. So this is what you can do and can't do with it, right? So auto loan leases and auto purchases, you can't use an American Express for that, right? But you can use Discover, MasterCard, and Visa for that. So the payment gateway kind of says that. So American Express has the most restrictions with this, right? So taxes, everybody can pay taxes with their credit card. Construction. So I'm going to put this in the description as well. Now, there are some other ways. So if you need to make a payment faster, there's ways to do that. Cross-border payments, payment refunds, request a deposited check, things like that. View your payment history, submit a payment. You guys can look at that on your own time. And then they do have credit card restrictions. So everybody hates Capital One. I do. That's my review. I hope they don't try to sue me for that, but whatever. Basically, Capital One business credit card issued by Capital One. You can't pay mortgage, can't pay home equity line of credit, no auto loans, no student loans. So this is Capital One's policy. So Plastiq has restricted the processing payments for Capital One business cards. That's not personal cards, that's business cards. Okay. Plastiq cannot facilitate any payments using a personal credit Capital One card. So Capital One is not is a no-go with these guys. So if you have Capital One, you can't use it with here. Talks about U.S. Bank, and then it's also going to talk about American Express restrictions. So there are restrictions based on the card. So you want to make sure that you guys look at that. But I would love to know in the comment section what you guys think of Plastiq. I know a lot of you probably have used Plastiq. I've used it many times. People kind of credit cards don't really like this all the time, so different issuers have issued their own restrictions, but overall you can basically do what you need to do with Plastiq still, even with the restrictions. Other than that, I wanted to let you guys know if you guys are ever late, they will repay your late payment, so definitely look at the terms and agreements. All cards are not created equal, keep that in mind. And yeah, that's my review on Plastiq. So obviously you can't use Capital One to pay a mortgage, but you can definitely use when it comes to paying a mortgage, only MasterCard is going to be able to do that. As far as utility bills and phone bills, you can do that with this. Pay taxes with Plastiq. So I just wanted to show you guys a simple way and a simple tool using this great Plastiq to be able to pay taxes, car loans, pay whatever you need to pay. So you guys can do that with a credit card. And like I said, this is an unsponsored video, so you guys can just go check it out on your own time, however you see fit. All right, guys, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on the next video. Join the private Facebook group. Join the Instagram at Radical Marketer. And then also let me know what you think of Plastiq. Love to hear from you guys if you've ever used it. If you have a credit question, drop it in the comment section below. I'll catch you guys on the next video. Go watch some playlists. There's a ton of videos out there for you guys. All right, take care. Peace.